Hey there, we'll be discussing about tap and double tap triggers in Protopie in this video. This would be a very brief tutorial, so I got my assets on my scenes already created. You can create same assets and follow along, or open it up on your exercise file under class folder. Tap and double tap pie file. On tap, it basically means when a tip of a finger, mouse pointer, or other touch point touches the screen, thereby triggering a response. Let's take a look at what I mean. I'm going to select my tap oval asset right here. Go over to add a trigger. Let's select tap. We can also select the layer right from over here. And I'm going to add the move response. Remember, the ruler measurement goes from the top to the bottom for y-axis and goes from left to right for x-axis. And also, I kept my asset origin at the center. As you can see, I find it more convenient though. That's why the position shows 80 for x and 158 for y. So on the move response, I want it to move to x equals to 300 and y on the same axis. So I would select y as 158. That is 300 for x and 158 for y. Let us take a look at the preview. It works as expected. I'm going to close this right now. Let's go on to double tap. On double tap, I'm going to add a double tap trigger. Let's select the move response also. And this time, I'm wanting to move to x 300 and y as 444 on same axis. As you can see, it's on 80 originally and 444 for y-axis. So I'm going to select x as 300 and y as 444. Let's see the preview right over here. And we can see how it works. I'm going to close this right now. My double tap asset is obviously small. Okay, let me add another response, and this time I'm going to select the scale. And I want it to scale to a width of 100 and to a height of 100. So I'm going to select 100 by 100. And let's see the preview right from over here. So on double tap, it scales and moves also. Okay, it works as expected. That's all for this class. Let's move on to the next video.